eggs. See it right there, quail eggs. Looks good. Lollipop. Good. Baht. Coconut is 50 baht. 50 baht is like $1. This is pork. Less than $1, like 60, 70 cents.
Sashimi.
He just ordered a ribeye over there.
Yeah, they're good.
Of course we have $150 a baht, 150 baht. That's $4.25. Those are mushrooms. It's fresh. Vegetables, smoothies. This is that smoothie, so nice. Braised pork leg, 90 baht. So they take it and they slice it open and slice it for you with some kale. Salted fish. Look at these little glasses. I just finished eating, so I'm full right now, but this looks so good. For 149 baht, that's like $4? No, Yeah, $4, $4 US. Yeah, corn, different flavors. Yum. Thank you.
So chicken, beef, pork, Wagyu, 4 kind different.
4 kinds. Okay. 100 baht. Nice, hot and fresh. Let my food settle a little bit. I just ate, so it looks so good though. Everything looks so good. Too bad I just ate. This is the night.
You always knew the way to wow me.
To the station, there's a Sofitel there.
I turn it on,
There's a beer station over there.
carry on, but I'm not hiding.
In the West End. Oh, that looks so good. That's, I think, like a spicy sugar with a bunch of spices in there. Not sure the meat. This is a sausage with some peppers and cabbage. That bread looks fresh. The noodles. I think it's instant noodles. Pork sandwich. That looks good. Nice and hot too, huh? If I wouldn't have just eaten, I would try one because it looks so good. Looks fresh. Fresh.
This veggie is so nice.
Yeah. Mozzarella cheese, avocado. That's yours. 220 baht is like $6 and like seven US dollars. That guy. So good. If I hadn't eaten already, I would order. But since I already ate, I can't. But it looks so good and fresh.
Thank you.
Yes. Interesting. Hi. Fresh mangoes. Orange, 59 baht. Apple, 69 baht. Swati pa. Watermelon, 59 baht. Give me the mixed berry smoothie. Yeah.